How's it going, everybody? Thought I would just do a quick stop and update on what's going on here at Bullfrog Hollow for this 2023 season. We are in the process of turning an old chicken coop into a deer blind. We are working on the butcher shop in the new shop, getting it set up, getting a walk-in cooler built. So I'll give you kind of a few updates as we get headed towards the season. We've got some food plots planted. Haven't done an update in a while, so I'll try and do a little catch up. What are you doing?
Painting.
Painting what?
The chicken coop.
Oops, that came in the other way. What's it gonna be?
A hunting shed.
Got windows cut in. Think it'll work pretty good? We're out here with Adler and Jace. We're getting this chicken coop turned into our deer shack this fall. So you saw the boys yesterday painting the floor. This is the old chicken coop. We pressure washed it 2 or 3 times. We soaped it all down, pressure washed it again. Finally has lost the chicken smell. And then I painted the floor with a mold and mildew paint. I don't know if that's going to do much, but just thought a little bit extra. And then we are throwing some of this leftover plywood from the shop build down on the floor for some extra stability. Some of the boards in the back had popped loose or rotted basically away. We cut some windows in, which will make some nice openings for either gun, crossbow hunting. I didn't think about, or I don't think I want to put in a window up front here yet. We may cut one in later. Most of the places we have to hunt, if we keep the door towards the fence or back side, then we've got good visibility out of any of these windows. Fits like a glove. All right, here we go. So we've got all the flooring in. Outside looks great. So now we're gonna nail this off quick, and then we are gonna get some spray foam. We're just going to do a light coat on all of the walls just to kind of seal it off good. And then we're going to throw a piece of carpet down. Maybe not. I don't know, might have to, probably for sound, it'd be nice to have some carpet, some thin carpet. It's an 8x10 shed, so I've got plenty of room for me and the boys to set up. And then when we got some plexiglass windows, then we're gonna put some like black curtains over them, so the windows will fold down, and then the curtains, before we flip the curtain up and then fold the window down. So that way, if we're just kind of sitting waiting, we can have one window open, have everything else blacked out. And then if we need to open another one, we can open it up without letting too much light in or showing what's going on in here. From the outside, we still will probably paint it. to get the boys to do a little spray paint work and make it look a little bit more woodsy. But it is pretty dark from the outside looking in. But we're gonna once we foam it, we're gonna paint it black on the inside. So. All right, everybody, another quick update on the shed. We have spray foamed, just a real light coat. Didn't want to put a lot of money into it, but it's we just bought one of those Frost Pack 210 from Menards, and mainly we're trying to just seal up all the edges and the corners and everything. We still have some vent holes on each side, so if we put a heater in here, it'll vent through. But now the boys are helping me spray paint just to kind of darken it up, so that way from the outside looking through is dark. And then we've got windows going in. We'll put some carpet down, and then yeah, we'll just about have it. We'll get it mounted on our trailer and be ready to roll. We've got some black curtains too then to put over the windows, so that way we can, if we're facing out this way, we can have these two totally blacked out and that one, and just barely kind of look out. So, all right, everybody, we have painted the inside black, and Jace is going to demonstrate our windows. So this is actually from the outside, it's 100% black. You can't see through it at all. But from the inside, you can still just see through it just a little bit. But the plan is then, once we are sitting and ready, go ahead and show them how to open one. Right now, all we've got is just a screw in the wall that pins this up. We're probably gonna redo this better, but won't have to do that very quick. But now we have this window, so when we see the deer now, super quiet. How easy was that?
Really easy.
Now we can sit here, and all the other windows are gonna have that blackout on them. So behind us will be all blacked out. So when we're sitting here looking out, we shouldn't be seen by any deer. And now we can just sit here and wait.
And if a raccoon comes out?
If a raccoon comes out, what will happen?
He will eat all your wood.
Oh, should we keep the door locked?
Yes.
All right. So the boys have been a big help on this build so far. They've been helping paint and spray foam, and we're getting this just about done. So 4 more windows to go, and we'll put some carpet in here.
Is it this window?
And
Is it this window?
yep, get that window done too. All right, deer season 23, let's get going.
Moving on my new deer blinds, but not with the floor. He's just testing out how I'll move. And brother said, kind of look. Stop. Look cool right there. What? Yeah, you can go if you want. See how it goes through the yard. out to Deer Run with our new barn deer stand, and we are gonna put this out. Deer season 2020, let's go.
Hey everybody, just wanted to do a final update on deer season 2023 Chicken Coop to deer blind videos. We got it out here up on the hill in position. Windows are done. We'll show you inside real quick. All right, Jace, you want to take over? So we got these windows with the black you can pin up.
Yep. And then you got this nice little window.
And drop the window down. Super quiet. Show them our view. Nice. Here's the outside view of the deer blind. Blocked off. Super windy today, but it's kind of up against the trees, so it doesn't stand out too bad, but it's got a great view. And from the deer blind, a pretty common access point for them is right at this tree. So that's about a 20-yard shot. So that'll wrap it up for right now. Thanks everybody for watching. We had a lot of fun with the boys building this, and hopefully this season we'll be able to get a deer out of it. Thanks.